It's Chimichanga. She lost her tail when she was just a little baby iguana. No, I got a garbage disposal. But now it's grown back. Now it's grown back, and she's kind of a little more of a paranoid pig. But she's been liking the attention lately. Mike, take a look at this.
Wow, she looked like she liked being petted.
Mm-hmm. She doesn't like to come out as much as this one does. Chicha. So Chicha and Changa. Oh, and she's the beastie one. Oh, she'll get rowdy if I pet her straight on. Hi. Oh, nice and calm. Mm. Yeah. What? It's hungry, huh?
Cool. The tail is enormous.
Yeah, does it look kind of like it could do some damage?
Yeah.
I've seen it when it gets really stiff. It's scary. She'll give you a turkey slap. You gonna come down? No, but they do funny things. They kind of like mirror each other sometimes. Whoa.
Taking a look at the 540 that he went down on, just gotta get his head back into it. Remember, he get 2 45-second runs. He'll throw this score out there, going for the 900, just getting about 720 degrees around. Sandro setting the pace with a 72 flat. We're just getting the party started here in Beijing. We've got plenty more coming up.
Wow.
Yikes. Look at the tail. You ever been hit with one?
Yeah. You taking a video of her?
Yeah.
She's.
Ah.
Yeah, see, she's looking at you, Dad.
Oh, better watch your crotch.
I'm not lunch, you know.
You really got to hold them steady, dude.
All right, you want to put her down?
Are you guys? Oh, everyone wants.
She won't eat me, will she?
No.
All right, put her down.
Ow.
Told you.
All right.
We don't get out much.
We're eating all the dip and I'll pull the old muscles in our legs. Whoa.
That's how she moves.
This is Jurassic, baby.
Go, baby.
Wow. Look at that.
Whoa.
Whoa.
They like going upstairs.